on an adventure. Today we're at Tree Hill Nature Center in Arlington.
So it is raining today, but you know, I'm from England. When you set out in England, you've got a long way to go, and when you get there, you just deal with whatever the weather is. You get to the beach and it happens to be 45 degrees, you sit there with your coat on. No big deal. I so love Florida. I really didn't like sitting on the beach in 45 degrees. And we've walked Hadrian's Wall in the rain, so this is not a big deal. There are some inside things, so we're looking forward to that.
We just came in and we're greeted by this enormous mastodon or mammoth skull. It's amazingly huge. Oh my word. And Mom made a friend. Are you gonna name him?
No.
Oh, good.
I'll have to take it home.
We don't want to get too attached to the critters.
I lost it.
Who knew we had sloths in Daytona this many years ago? Crazy. I feel sure these same exhibits were here when I last came, which was when I was quite small. They look familiar. Yeah, it was in elementary school.
It might have come as a family since then. It's been very much. We could invite wildlife to our backyard, but I think the cats would bring them in the house. That wouldn't work well.
All these birds' nests. They're amazing.
And they're small, aren't
They're
they?
so well crafted. We have woodpeckers in our yard sometimes.
In our old yard, where we used to live, we did have a red-headed woodpecker sometimes, or once, which was quite rare. Usually there's just the ones with a little bit of red on top of their heads, but these are all the way red.
Oh, look at the heron skull. That's fascinating. Long beak. How fast can you react? Press the right button on the left, and when the red lights light up, press the red button in the center as fast as you can. Your reaction time is recorded in fractions of a second.
No, I think mine will be recorded in multiple seconds.
Multiple seconds. Go for it. 0.23 seconds.
Oh, so I was supposed to hit it before this.
Which is a cheetah running at full speed can cover a distance of 20 feet in 0.23 seconds. 20 feet.
I would not be able to
Okay,
do it.
let's do it again. See if you can faster.
So press the white button when you hear the beep. Press the red button as fast as you can. So maybe I'll do
So
better if I can
the
hear.
button on the right is different. Ooh. Okay, so that was more than 0.15 seconds, but we'll read 0.15. During liftoff, the space shuttle travels 1 mile every 7th of a second to escape the Earth's gravitational pull. Wow. Spread your wings. How does your wingspan compare? Is it this wide? Stand over here. Let's see how it compares.
I think it's bigger than the owl.
Yeah, bigger than the owl. The barred owl. What about the bald eagle? Oh my, the bald eagle's
Bigger than me?
longer than you. That's amazing. Wow, that's huge. They've decorated it to the nines. This is a pyramid, by the way. We're inside that pyramid I showed you when we were outside. More skeletons. Oh, still trying to eat that turtle. He will not give up.
It's a bat skeleton.
Oh wow, little bat skeleton. I like bats a lot. Preferably with some skin on them, but that's pretty amazing. Oh wow. We just noticed how many bones are in a snake skeleton. It's pretty amazing. Florida's aquifers. This is what underneath the land looks like in Florida. There are way too many taxidermy creatures here for me. I'm not enjoying that aspect of it. Ah, here's some non-taxidermy creatures. These are alive. Oh wow, look at him. Hello, turtle.
It's a terrapin.
A terrapin. Amazing. He is having his morning exercise, apparently. There's a southern toad in here somewhere. But it's really hard to see. I can't see it. Maybe he's still sleeping. Here's a Florida soft shell turtle. The one with the pointy looking nose. Oh, there he is. Now he's showing off for us. I like their noses. They're cool looking. There's a green tree frog in here somewhere. Sometimes. Yeah, Tree Hill is pretty much like our backyard would be if we didn't mow the grass. I don't see this green tree frog. Where are you?
The picture would stand out because they're so bright green. We've woken everybody up too early.
That's a bummer. Unless that's him underneath this rock. I think.
Oh.
Oh, a skunk! Oh, having a nap. Precious. Very sweet. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, it does not look as good on camera. The other tanks were doing much better on camera. But this one is much more beautiful in real life.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, is that a little shrimp? Amazing. So this is a touch tank, but I don't feel inspired to touch them. I'll just let them be because they look very happy without me touching them. Breakfast time.
Multiple box.
Oh,
Smells pretty.
yeah, they're all different. A corn snake. Oh my goodness, there's a northern pine snake. Thank goodness I've never seen one of these before in my yard. Oh, we found the corn snake. Oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty orangey color. And this is the snapping turtle. Watch him go. Well, now he's breathing, but he was snapping. I just saw him snap twice. And now he's not doing it. It's because he knows the camera's on him. He's big.
Yeah.
Do not climb on alligator. Not a problem. And don't feed them either. This one won't be eating much today, but don't feed them in the wild either. Not a good idea.
Never a good idea to climb on one.
And never smile at a crocodile. I am not liking those heads everywhere. And we're going back down the pyramid, and we'll see you later. Well, we walked outside and saw these lovely flowers, and then looked over, and we have a little friend running to greet us.
He obviously thinks we brought food.
We did not. Oh my goodness!
Sorry, we didn't
I'm
buy
from the
gate
city.
open.
I don't know what to do with chickens. Please don't come closer. No,
We don't eat chicken. Is that good?
Yeah, I don't eat chicken. Do you like me? We do not have food, buddy. I don't know what to do for you.
We should have brought some bread. Who knew?
Is that good? Do you feed chicken bread? I don't think you do. There was goat food inside, but we didn't even get the goat food. Maybe he's used to eating goat food. There's a butterfly up here somewhere, and I don't have a clue where it is now. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. It's right in the shot. Couldn't see it. So pretty. Okay, now he's gonna try for me. But maybe we just need to walk on. Walk on. Don't peck me. But he's gonna follow us. We have a new friend. Sorry, buddy. He's probably starved for people because it's raining today, and he's like, yes, people, feed me. There's some more up here. Oh my goodness,
Right.
It's like we're in Key West
And
or
the
on a
rain
farm or
has
something.
stopped, so that's nice.
Yes, we're glad the rain has ceased. for the moment anyway. Wow, this is cool. It's like a Florida farm. Oh, look at the walkover thing for them. That's neato.
And here are the goats.
Oh, and there's our friend. I so almost walked into him.
Food for the goats.
Well, it's not too late. Do you want to go back and buy food for the goats? It's only $1 per cup. There's our pretty goat friend. But the goat is not nearly as interested in us as the chickens are.
Right.
I find that odd. And who knew there would be chickens? But I like this guy. I wonder if he has a name. Oh my goodness.
I think he's a she.
She. Oh, right. She. I'm a city girl?
I suspect this one is the guy.
That's the guy. That's the rooster. Right. This so makes sense now. It's different in real life. So the pictures. I'm trying to get a picture, trying to get an angle of his comb at the top. It's really gorgeous. But I just can't. Oh, there we go. Thank you. It was a good pose. Thank you, chicken.
Very handsome.
Yes. Here's our friend.
And on this side we have gopher tortoises.
Oh, there's another one.
Right.
Gopher tortoises. There's one with his hole. That's really neat. Do not feed them. Hey, chicken. Chick, chick, chick. And, oh, wow. That's so neat seeing what they actually look like with their holes. All right, Mr. Rooster's getting a little friendly now. I'm not thrilled about that. Let's move on. Hello, chickens. Excuse me.
Goat, sort of.
Oh, there's another goat. There's his bum.
Right.
I don't know what he's doing. He's doing his yoga for the morning.
There's another one on top.
Oh, there's
right on this edge.
Oh, and there's one right in this corner. Yes, there we go. Beautiful. Hey, please don't peck me. This is so close to me. This is crazy. If I don't move, what's the thing for chickens? Don't run away? No, that's bears. Is there a thing for chickens?
Right.
Just ignore them and they'll leave you alone?
What's the rule for avoiding domesticating chickens who think you should feed them?
Pesky chickens. Oh, there's an American alligator. Oh, it's so cute. This is adorable behind glass, but if you see it in real life, don't go pet it.
And don't sit on its back.
And don't ride it, and don't feed it. That's right. Look at those eyes, so big and cute. Oh, it's only a little one. So precious.
I wonder what they'll do when it gets bigger.
Hopefully find it a happy, large home. Because this is definitely too small for a big alligator. Because they get to be between 11 to 15 feet and over 1,000 pounds. Crazy. Oh, look at this lovely one.
Cutie.
Very pretty. This one's less interested in us, thankfully. Oh my goodness, and there's some more. The Happy Hen Hotel? What? Yeah, this is cool. So far, unless the chickens peck me, and then not cool anymore. So where are we gonna go?